Hello, this is Katie from Hooked by Katie. Today we're going to be talking about branching in Amigurumi. When you take multiple pieces and you put them together and you turn them into one piece, say as teddy bear legs on the bottom, that's called merging. But when you take one piece and you turn it into smaller pieces, say, let's just say we're going to make like a mome rat or something with just a little hump here and a little hump here. In order to do that, we're going to do a method called branching. So we're going to branch off of the bigger piece. For this one, I started with 24 stitches and each of our branches are going to be even. So we're going to have 12 on this side and 12 on this side. And it's just a matter of doing a round where you leave a big hole to be worked later for your next leg. So for that one, we're going to skip our 12 stitches that we need to leave unworked. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then on that next stitch after we are done skipping, we're going to start working our SCs again. So we're just going to do SCs the way around here, and we will have 12 stitches. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So what this does is pinches this together in the middle and leaves 12 stitches on this side for us to put another side on this guy. And we're going to continue working only on these. We're going to leave these 12 stitches unworked until we're ready to use them again. So we're going to do a couple rounds even here. Let's do 2 rounds even around just the working stitches for this leg. Like I said, we're not ready to do this leg yet. We're only working on this one. So we'll do 2 rounds even on this leg. And then we'll close it up and do the other one. Okay, there's our 12. We're going to keep going. All right, there's our other round. And just for pretty, let's do one more. Okay, so since this guy is gonna just kind of be a U-shaped dude, I'm going to go ahead and close this up. So this is 12 stitches around, so I can close it by just doing 6 decreases. Alrighty, we'll pull that off. And I'm not going to stuff this for the sake of the lesson, but so there's our first branch. Now to start our second branch, we're going to make our slip knot with a new piece of yarn, or in this case, the cut off part of this piece of yarn. And we're going to do a single crochet join here. A single crochet join is pretty cool. It is both a join, so you can add new yarn to something, but it also counts as a stitch. So it won't leave a lumpy slip stitch where you don't want it. So this will be our first single crochet. So with the hook, with the loop on my hook, I'm going to insert into my stitch, yarn over, pull through, and I have 2 loops on my hook, just like an SC. So then I just yarn over and finish my SC. And then that join right there counts as a stitch and is a nice SC going forward. So we're going to work the other 11 stitches around our opening that we left. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we could go back and forth, but because this piece is round, we're going to jump across the hole, and our next round is going to start right in that SC join. And we're just going to keep going around, just working on this leg. So we now have our other leg, and we have our second leg starting. Now, there is going to be a bit of a hole in between them. That's okay. What I like to do is leave a tail on my SC join and use that tail to sew up that hole. That way my stuffing won't leak. Sometimes these joins are in places where you don't need to worry about the stuffing leaking, like they're in real tight spaces, or this join will be 2 pieces that are smooshed together like this and you don't have to worry about it. But when you do want to close it up, that SC join tail is very useful for that. So we made our first leg 3 rows past the branching row. So let's go ahead and make this one 3 rounds past the branching round also, so that this poor little tiny guy has the same length of legs at least. It's the least we can do for him, right? Alrighty, we're almost back around. All right, so this is where we would stuff our little dude. And what I like to do is just stuff through the open holes and up into the other leg. Just makes it a little easier. But we'll close up this side just for good measure. What are we at here? Is that 6? Yep. Okay, there's 6 stitches. So we could close this guy up too. So there you have it. We started off with one piece, worked in the round. We worked out to 24 stitches and then branched off into 2 pieces that are each 12 stitches. Thanks for watching a Hook by Kati tutorial video. Please click subscribe and click that little bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video. And remember to go to hookbykati.com for more patterns, tutorials, and guides to help you improve your art.